Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afnan and in today's video I will show you how we can make a multi-page blogging application with role-based access control in Laravel 12 and React Starter Kit. So first of all I will give you the demo. So basically this is my blogs page. When a user is login, it show these blogs and a user can search the blog by here. Just simple right here any word and it just retrieve that block in real time. Okay, and user can also filter out the blocks by categories, and user can also filter out the blocks by most commented blogs. Okay, so that's it. And also I have here in this server side pagination. Okay. And the most important thing and that I like the most is it is a completely responsive blog. Okay, and that's it. And after it, user can also click on read more and open the detailed description of the blog and blog category, date, and comments on blogs, and also back to post page. Okay, so when here I'll just simple open the blog detail page. Here you can see I see the blogs that I see the comments here that are done by other users. So when I'll just simple comment with this user that I am logging with Kevin, so I'll just simple post the comment. So here you can see when the login user posts the comment, it enable the option of this delete on only that comment that this user done. Okay, so it is not showing this option on the other users comments. Okay, because these comments are done by other users. Okay, so user can delete his own comments also. When I'll click on delete and it delete this comment. Okay, so that's the amazing thing. Okay, and also it is showing me in real time notification that comment added successfully, and when I'll just simple delete it, it show me that comment deleted successfully. So this is the user side. When login user role is user, it show this. Okay, and when login user role is admin, then I'll just simple show you how it show. So here I have this user afnan@gmail.com with role admin. So I'll just simple login with this user and show you what this give me. So when I'll just simple login with other user that role is admin, it show me this option that is blogs and categories. So the login user whose role is admin, so admin have access to create the categories. So I'll just simple create here category like protein and just click on create, and it show me that category created successfully in real time. And also I can edit the category here, and also it is showing me the blogs count and post counts in these categories. Okay, and also I can delete the category and it show me in real time. And also the most important thing that I like the most, it is completely responsive. And the other thing that I like the most is when I'll change the appearance, it automatically change this table appearance also. So because I use in a chat CN components, so that's why it is when I'll change the appearance, so it also change this table appearance and theme. Okay, so this is the categories. And now on the other side I have blogs. So in the blogs and post I have title and create category and publish ad and comments. So basically these are, when I'll just simple click on it, it open the dialog model and show me the comments that are done by users. So when I'll just simple open it, it is showing me Kevin username and comment, that comment done by this user. Okay, and also on top it is showing me the comments for post title. Okay, so it is completely responsive, and it is also server side paginated. Okay, it is not pagination is not on the client side, it is done by it is on server side. Okay, and when I'll just simple I'll add the new blog that is Laravel River, and I'll just simple copy it, paste this here, and I'll just simple select the category, I'll just simple make it education. And here from this, I'll just simple select the date, time, and just click on create, and it show me post created successfully, and it is showing me on top. And also I can edit the post, Laravel Revive 12, and just click on update, and it update the post. So that's great, amazing. Okay. And also I can delete the post, and it show me post deleted successfully. So that's great, amazing thing. Okay. And the first and the most important thing that I like the most in it, that is a role-based access control. So basically, user this dashboard and login page is same, but when the user role is changed, it change the display. So basically, when user is login, it is showing just this blogs, and user can see the blog post and comment on it. So when login user is admin, it is showing the admin can have access to create the categories and blog post and see the comments. Okay, so you can add in it more things also, but it is just for idea of these blogging application, like how you can integrate and add in it the scenarios and use these scenarios in your real world applications. Okay, so this is it. And now the last thing that I'll show you of this application is when here you can see I have this admin slash post. So this page is of for only admin. Okay, so when user try to access this page, here I'll just simple try to access this page, and it bring me back to the user post. So that's the thing of role-based access control, and it is completely restricted. User cannot access the admin pages, and admin cannot access the user pages. So when I'll click on admin post, it bring me to the user's post. Okay, and also when I'll just simple try to access this categories page, so it also done the same thing. It bring me to the user's post, and when user try to access the admin post, it bring me to the same page. And now I'll just simple try to access the user page, user post from this admin account posts. It bring me to the admin post. So that's great, amazing. User cannot access any page of the admin, and admin cannot access any page of user. So it is completely restricted. I use middlewares in it, and most complex and latest trend scenarios of that are used by web security. So it is very informative tutorial for you. So now this is the demo. Now we can again create this from
So first
scratch.
of
So
all, I'll
let's start.
just simple create a new Laravel project, and for this I'll just simple go to my Laravel projects directory, and here I'll just simple create a new folder, and I'll just simple name this as blog application with RBAC 2. Okay, that's it. So here we just simple create this folder, and now I'll just simple close this and open my VS Code. And now I'll just simple open the folder that we recently created, that is localhost, and it is in Laravel 12 blog application RBAC2. Just select it, and now within this I'll just simple create a new Laravel project. And for creating Laravel project, as we know, we just simple use this command, that is this Laravel new, and I'll just simple give my project name as test. Okay, so you can give any name to your project, but for now I'll just giving name test. And now from here I'll just simple select the starter kit. So as we are going to work in React, so I'll just simple write here React and click on enter. And also we need authentication, so I'll just simple write here Laravel, click on enter. And Here we don't need any testing, so skip it. And now here my project is creating, and now within 2 or 3 minutes my project is created, and then we
And
can
here you
start
can see
working.
my project is now set up. So now first of all what we have to do is we just simply set up our database. But before setting up the database, first of all we set up our and create our migrations, the tables we need in our database. And for this I'll just simply close this and just open my project and go to database and then go to migrations. So now by default I have these three migrations. So I'll just simply go to first users table. So in the users table I need one more column, that is uh, this role, and it is of type enum, and it is a role, and I'll just simply make it user and admin. So I have we have two roles, that is one is user and second one is admin, and we just simply need to make it default and pass in it user. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this. We just simply read this column in our users table. Just close this, and now I'll need other migrations, and I need to create these migrations. So I'll just simply use this command. First navigate to project, and then I'll just simple create my migration using this command. So first of all, PHP Artisan make model category, so it automatically make the model, and by using this flag -m, it automatically create the migration for it. Just click on enter, and here you can see it create the migrations, and also in the models it create the model also. Okay, and then I'll just simply create the other migration, that is post, and the other one is comment. Okay, that's it. We just simply need this. Just close this and then open the categories. Sorry, open the categories, and within the categories table, I'll just simply need one table, and it is of type. It is I'll just simply name this as string, and it is of this column name is name. Okay, just close this and go to post, and within the post I need to create some columns, and for this I'll just simply paste it 3 4 times. And first of all we have id, and then I have a string title, and then I have text, and within the text I have content. Okay, and then I have foreign id, and within it I have category underscore id. So it means each post belong to some category. Okay, category id, and it is on constraint on delete cascade. Okay, just this, and after it I'll just simple don't need these, so just remove these, and I'll just simple copy it and paste this here, and within it in the timestamp I need to make here publish underscore at, and make it nullable. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this, and just copy this, and now I'll just simply go to comments, and within the comments migration just paste this. So in the comments I have id, and then text, and in the text I have content, and then foreign id, user underscore id, and post underscore id. Okay, that's it. We just simply need this, and then after it we have this timestamps. Okay,
So we successfully set up our migration. So I'll just simple copy it and paste this here. So it is post underscore ID and it is also constrained on delete cascade. Okay. That's it. We just simple do this and now I'll just simple close my migration. So now we need to set up our database and for this I'm using MySQL. So I'll just simple click on new and create a new database and I'll just simple name my database as Laravel blog underscore RBAC2. So you can name your database any if you want. Just click on create and go to VS Code and now for database connectivity we just simple go to .env and uncomment out these and by default Laravel set up MySQL Lite. So I'll just simply change here to MySQL and also in the database I'll just pass my database name and also we need to set update MySQL in the config database.php and here you need to set here MySQL. Okay, just close these. Okay, and then open the terminal and then now I'll just simply navigate to project using this and then I'll just simply run my migrations using this command. So it successfully create my migration. So I'll just simply go to database and just click on it. And here you can see my all tables are created successfully. Okay. So that's great. We successfully set up the database. Now we just simple make the eloquent relationship in our model. Then we move forward to controllers.
So
Okay.
just close this and now just go to app models and here you can see we have just 3 4 models. Okay, by user model is by default. Okay, and these 3 we just simple created recently. Okay, as you know. So first I'll just simple go to category and within the category we need to add some things in it that like use hash factory and some relationship and atomic protected fillable. Okay, and for this I'll just simple open my user model and on the other side I'll just simple open my category. Okay, so basically just copy this and paste this here and remove this. So we just simple use this hash factory in category and just copy this, import and paste this here. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and now we need to add protected fillable. So just copy this and go here and within it I'll just simple we have in the category just this name. Okay, so I'll just simple add here name and just format it. Okay, so that's it and after it, I need to define here the one function because category belongs to post. So we need to define function here. And this function is public function. And I'll just simply name this as post. And within it, I have written dollar $this. Each category has many posts. So we need to we use here has many and pass here post class I mean post model and just pass here class. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this and now after it I'll just simply go to comment and within the comment model first of all I need to add here hash factory protected variable. Just copy this, paste this here. Okay, and just copy this, paste this here. Okay, and in the comment I have some field like title and after it content, then Katie content and then user underscore ID and then post underscore ID and we don't have this content. Okay, and we have just this here content and these column in our comments. Okay, so also we need to define the some eloquent relation for comment because comment also belong to user and post. So I'll just simple copy this and go to comment and paste this here. Okay, so basically comment belong to user. So first I'll make the function with the name user and here I'll just simple use here belongs to. Okay, belongs to.
Okay, so it belongs to user. Okay, and pass here just user class. Okay, and then copy it again and paste this here, and this time I have here function name post and belongs to post. Okay, just pass here post class. Okay, we just simple do this, and now I'll just simple copy all this and go to post. That is our last model, and within the post, first of all I need to add here content, and before content I have other columns, that is title, content, and then category underscore id, and then we have publish underscore at. Okay, and then I'll use here category, and here in this I'll use here belongs to. Okay, belongs to, and here return dollar this belongs to category class, and also I need to add here comments, and each post has many comments. Okay, so belongs to, and I'll use here has many, and pass here comment, and here pass here category. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and after it I need to import here this belongs to and has many. So first of all go to comments and copy this, go to post and paste this here and paste it here 2 times. Okay, and this time here just copy this and import these relationships also. Okay, and also these copy these relationships and paste this in comment and category. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now close these, and now we need to also define the function in our user model, that is comment. So I'll just simple copy this and go to user, and here in it I'll just simple paste this here, and it is comments, and has many comment. Okay, that's it. We just simple need to use this, and automatically it import this has many in the user table. Okay, so that's it. We set up the model also. Just close this. Okay, so now I'll just simple run my project, and we can run our npm and Laravel development server by using composer run tab. Also we can run this separately, so I'll just simple run this separately. First navigate to project, and I'll just simple use here php artisan serve, and on the other side I'll just simple navigate to project and use here npm run tab. Okay, so just open the project. So here I'll just simple register with a user and just click on register, and here I'll just simple register with this name tina@gmail.com, and click on password, and then click on right here password. Okay, so that it's it, and it bring me to the dashboard. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is, here you can see my register user data is added, and its role is by default user. Okay, so I'll also change the role here. So what I need to do is here, like when I'll change the role, it enable when I'll change the role to admin, it show me here post and categories and blogs, nav item, as we see in the demo. Okay, and when I'll change the role to user, it show me here just blogs, and user can read the blogs and comment on blogs. Okay, same as it is we see in the demo. Okay, so first we need to fetch here the login user data on this page. So basically this is the app sidebar. So I'll just simply go to components. So I'll just click on here and close this, and just go to resources JS, and here you can see it is Laravel React starter kit files. So just go to components, and here you can see I have this here app sidebar. Okay, So basically in it, I have this just one nav item that is showing me here. Okay. So first, how we get on console the login user data. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is I'll just simply import here, import use page, and it we need to import this from inertia React. Okay, that's it. So we just simply need to import this React component, React hook, that is use page. So after importing this, I'll just simply go to my this function here, and here I'll just simply use here const auth, and use here use page dot props. Okay, that's it. And after it, I need to check it on console, like debug it on console that it is getting the user data or not. Auth user, and I'll just simply use here auth dot user. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this, and now I'll just simply go to here and just go to inspect and click on console. And here you can see it is showing me the object, and in the object it is getting all the data of user successfully. So that's great, we are getting the data of login user. So that's great, amazing. So when I'll just simple change here the role to admin, and here just reload it, and here you can see it also fetch the role. When I'll change the, it is like it is getting the accurate and correct login user data. So that's great, amazing. We just simply need to do this. Okay, so now the second thing is just close this, we debug it, we successfully get data. And now we need to fetch here, like if login user role is this, then show nav items according to our choice, like we see in the demo. Okay, so first here, first I'll just simple import the icon, that is like pen square. Okay, and folder plus. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple go to copy this, then cut it, and paste this here in it like this. Okay, and just go here, and it change nothing. So what we have to do is like here I'll just simply use here const user auth dot user. So we need to fetch here the user data like this from object, like ID, is it as number, and then name. We just simply need here the data of role, but it's okay. We just simply fetch all this. ID is in number, and the name is in string, and role, that is the important that we need. Role is in, I need to fetch here like admin, and here I'll add here the pipeline like this, user. Okay, and after it I'll just simply add here the pipeline and make it null. Okay, that's it. I'll just simply do this, and after this I'll just simply remove this from console, and in the const main nav item, in the nav item. I'll just simple add init is equal to user dot user dot role, and within it I'll just simple pass here admin, and pass here this question mark, and in it I'll just simple pass here title, that is if login user role is admin, then pass here blogs, and we just simple set the href later. So I'll just simple copy it again and paste this here 2 times. Okay, so I need a two nav item when role is admin, user role is admin, and here in it uh, I'll just simply use as user dot role. If user login user role is user, then I need to show here just blocks, and that's it, and close this, and here just this. We just simple do this, and now I'll just simple go to console, and here you can see my login user role is admin, and it is showing me these two nav item, that is blocks and categories. And when I'll just simple change the role to user, and here you can see I'll just simple reload it, and it changed the nav item to just blog. So that's great, amazing thing. Okay, just by changing these lines. Okay, so just I'll just simple set here the icons and these things. Okay, so I'll just simple use here this pen square icon because admin manage the blogs, and also in it I'll just apply use here this icon that we import recently, that is folder plus, and in this I'll just simple use here book open. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and I'll just simple add here the nav like href of these okay, slash admin slash post and slash admin slash categories. Okay, we just simply do this, and here in this I'll just simply use here slash post. Okay, and now I'll just simply go to browser, and here you can see it is showing me book open when login user role is and when I'll just simply click on it, it's showing me not found because we don't create this view. Okay, and when I'll just simply go to admin, change the role to admin, and it show me these two. Okay, so that's great, amazing. So we successfully set up the structure of RBAC, that is role based access control. Okay, and later on we just simple make the structure here when on the client side, just okay. So later on I'll just simple protect it and restricted by middleware in the last. Okay, that admin cannot access to user pages, and user cannot access to uh, admin pages. Okay, as we see in the demo. Okay, so that's it, and now we just simple go to move forward to our controller, and before going to controller I need to set up the views, these views, and for this I'll just simple go to pages, and within the pages I need to set up the view structure, and for this I'll just simple first create the new folder, and I'll just simple give this name like admin, and within the admin I have two files, that is post.tsx, that is our first view, and the second one is categories dot tsx. Okay, so we just simple need these two views in our admin, and that's it. And these are the admin views, and now we need to create the user views, and just create a new folder, that is user. So all the user views pages are in this folder, and I'll just simply click on new and make here a view name post.txs. Okay, and within the user, I'll just simple create a new folder that is post, and within the post, I have a new file that is show.tsx. So basically, on this view, user can comment out, and we show the comment form. Okay, and a block detail page. Okay, that's it. Just close these. And now, first of all, what we have to do is we just create our controller. And first of all, we done the functionality of these categories page, then post page, and then we go to users, and then we move forward to our middlewares. Okay. And for this, I'll just simple open my terminal. And within the terminal, I'll just simple navigate to project, and I'll just simple create three controllers, that is post, categories, and user controller. Okay, so I'll just simple use this command for creating controllers. So first is user controller and I'll just simple pass here the flag slash slash resource. So basically, this flag automatically create the CRED functions in our controller by default. Okay, so first is user controller, and then I have this post controller, and then user post, and the last one is our category controller. Okay, just click on this category controller. Okay, so we successfully set up our controllers, and now I'll just simple uh, close this and go to app http controllers category controller, and define the functionality of CRED that we see in the demo, and then we make the route, and then we shift to view and create the view page. Okay, so in the category controller, first I'll just simple import here use app slash models slash category. Okay, okay, and then I'll just simple use here use inertia slash inertia. Okay, that's it. And in the index function, we just simple render the view of our admin slash categories. And for this, I'll just simple pass here categories, and use here this model category, and pass here with count of post, that is a this is post function in our liquid model. So after it, I'll just simple fetch the latest on top, and also I'll just simple paginate it on server side as I say in the demo. I'll just simple paginate it 10. Okay, that's it. And then I'll just simple return and use here inertia render, and I'll render the page that is admin slash categories. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and pass here categories, and here just this categories again. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this for rendering the view, and on the view I am passing all the categories. Okay, so before checking it, I'll just simple go to my routes and web.php. So I'll just simple define here the route for this, that it is correctly rendering the view or not. Okay, and for this I'll just simple first of all import the controller. So I'll use here use app slash http slash controller slash, and pass here this category controller. Okay, that's it. And after it, I'll just simple return the view and make the route for it, and just use here route, and within it I'll just simple use here prefix, and within the prefix I'll just simple pass here the word admin, and give it name admin dot. Okay, and just this, and after it, I'll just simply use here group, and within it pass here the function, and just this. Okay, and make here route resource, and within it posts. Oh, sorry, I'll just simple pass here categories, and pass here category controller dash dash class, and use here accept show. Okay, that's it. We just simple define the route, that is admins slash categories, and I'll just simple pass these bracket here before after class, that is this, and I'll just simple remove this here. Okay, I'll just simple now check it, but before checking it, I'll just simple optimize it. Just open the terminal, and here I'll just simple pass this PHP artisan optimize. Okay, that's great, everything fine. And now I'll just simple go to view and reload it, and just click on categories, and it bring me to the categories, but on the categories page we have nothing. So what I have to do is I'll just simple go to my pages, that is in resources JS, and these are my admin pages, and I'll just simply go to dashboard and copy all these content and go to categories and paste the content here. And now I'll just simply go to here and go to categories, and I am on the categories page, but it is showing me the same page because we paste same content in it. So I'll just simply change it here to categories for just your info, and it change the category. So it means we have successfully rendered the view. So that's great, amazing. So just close these, and now we just simple focus on um creating the CRUD functions, and then we make the view. Okay, so that's it. And now after it, we have this store function, and within the store function we are getting the request dollar request, and after it I'll just simply make here the variable that is validated, and within it I'll just simply pass here request, and validate, and validate it like pass here name, and then make it required, and it is of type string max 255, and also it is unique, so category must be unique every time. Okay, so just close this, and after it I'll just simply use here category model, and create, and pass a dollar validated. Okay, that's it. And after it return redirect, and return redirect on route, and route is admin dot categories dot index. Okay, and just this, and after it I'll just simply use here with, and pass here success, make it a new line with success, and pass here message category added successfully. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this, and now we are done with this admin.categories.index page, and now we just simply go to update, and I'll just simply copy this, and that this is my update function, and paste this here, and within it I am getting the request and string ID. So basically, first of all, we just simply find the category dollar category, and here category find or fail. Okay, and within it, I'll just will pass a $ID. Okay, that's it. And then $validated request validate and validate it in the same way. Okay, uh, unique categories and name. Okay, just this and we just simple do this, and after it, I'll just simple pass here dollar category and update dollar validated. Okay, that's it, and remove this. So we just simple do this, and within this categories names, and after the comma, I'll just will pass here dot and pass here $ID. Okay, so it validate that requested category and check it this requested in these filters. Okay, so we just simple do this and validate it and return redirect route admin dot categories dot index and success message and pass here just category updated successfully. Okay, so in the fail, I'll just simple copy this and paste this here and find here like dollar category find or fail ID. So we just simple find the ID and we don't need to validate it. And here like I'll just simply use a dollar category and just use this function, that is delete, and pass in it dollar nothing. Okay, so we just simple pass here dollar category and delete. So here we are just simple done with these function admin dot categories dot index and pass here category deleted successfully. But one issue in it here that if categories if posts are associated with categories, then we also check it. So we just simple I'll just simple use it if dollar category and use this function here, that is posts and count and is equal to like if nothing if no post is belong to categories, then we just simple uh, like if posts are belong to categories, then we just simple return redirect to admin dot categories dot index with error, and in the error I'll just simple pass here cannot delete category because posts are associated with it. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and we done all the function, define all the function, and now I'll just simple go to our view, that is this, and I'll just simple remove all this code from view. Like it is now showing me this on the category space, so I'll just simply remove it and save it, and now you can see I'll just simply reload it and it is showing me nothing because we removed the code. So I'll just simply write here the code for showing the categories in tables, and also update model and delete model or update and add model on the same page. Okay, but before writing code and start making the view functionality, I'll let you know that we are using ShadCN components and in it, and for this, here you can see in the components like in the UI, I have breadcrumb, checkbox, input, and all the things. Okay, but we are here missing something like tables, text area. So basically, this starter kit is built in ShadCN. So the functionality that I'll show you in the demo, like when I'll change the theme appearance, it change my categories page and post page according to the theme. So it is because I'll just simply use all the components of this shared scene. So I'm missing here some components, so I need to install these components first. So I'll just simple let you know that what are these components like this. So first I need to add here this table So just use this command npx shatcn at the latest add table. Just click on it. And it automatically add this in components UI here. Components UI table. Okay, so that's it. So it is not already there, so that's why I'll just simple add this in components UI and table. Okay, that is this. Okay, so now I have this Shatsi UI table, and also I need to add two more UI components that I need. That is uh, a pagination, and the last one I think is text area that I used. Okay, so I'll just simply use a use force. So just overwrite it. Okay, so I successfully add this UI, and the last one I need to add is text area. Okay, that's it. And I'll just simple check here from the previous command that I use in the demo project that we are missing some commands or not. So also I need this npm install sooner for real-time success and error message that you see in the demo. It is because of this package that is sooner. So that's it. I think we are done with all the things. Yes, we are done with all the things. So now I'll just simple close this and just start writing code in it. Okay, so that's it. We just simple write this code, and now these remaining code, extra code, I'll just simple remove it and just save this, and I'll just simple open the terminal and just go to this and optimize it. So I'll just simple optimize it like uh, mice. Okay, and just go to view, and here you can see on the view now it is showing me the categories post count action. Okay, so that's great, amazing. So now I'll just simple add here the category that is programming, and just this, and just click on create, and here you can see it say my category created successfully and show me this here. And also I can change it to Laravel and click on create, and here you can see unknown column name one in the so I think we did mistake categories in. Okay, so we did mistake in this. I'll show you that is this in go to controllers, and this is my category controller, and within it here like this. So just remove this and just click on save and optimize it. And now I'll just simple change it, sorry, update it again to Laravel. And it is again saying me category name, category RBAC, category dot one does not exist. So here I think we did mistake in this function. So I need to remove this also dot id. Okay, so just save it again, and then optimize it, and just go here, and now I'll just simple add here, sorry, update it again to Laravel, just this. And now here you can see my category updated. So it is a minor issue, that's why it is not updating. So just this, and now I'll just simple update it to Laravel Reverb, and it is updating. So that's great, amazing. So we done all the things, and now the one thing is just add here the category and click on create, and when I'll just simple click on delete, and it will delete the category. So I need to check one thing. I'll just simple add here the category that is dates and click on delete, and it is deleting. So that's great, amazing. We successfully set up the categories page, and also I'll just simple check it. It is completely with the shared CN, and when I'll just simple go here, it change the theme, because as I said, it use the shared CN component, and when I'll just simple minimize it, it is also responsive. So that's great, amazing. We done with categories. So now I'll just simple go to blogs and start working in blogs, and then we go to user panel. So I'll just simple come to VS Code. Okay, and here just close the terminal, and just close this, and here I'll just simple come to controller, and this time we are going to work with post controller, and complete this functionality, then we move forward to user controllers. Okay, just close this also. Okay, so within it I'll just simple define the functions, and for it I'll just simple first import some things like from category controller. So from category controller, I'll just simple copy this and go to post controller and paste this here and remove this request. And also we need to import this category and post. Okay, that's it. Okay, so after it, I'll just simple go to category controller and paste copy this index function and go to post controller and paste this function here. Okay, and within it I'll just simple use here dollar post and this time use here post model and in the post model I'll just simple need to get the post with and within this I'll just simply need to get the category and comments dot user. Okay, that's it. And after it I'll just simple use here with count and with count of comments. Okay, and use here this sign and before it latest and back in 810. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this and 10 and also I'll just simply use here categories and category class all. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this and then initial render and I'll just simply render it on admin slash post and within it I'll just simply pass here categories as categories and after it post post. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this and this is the index function and after it I have the store and in the store I'll just simply go to category and copy this and paste this here and within it I'll just simply use a dollar validated validate and in this I have title and it is required string maximum to 50. That's it. And just copy it, paste it here 2 times. Okay. And this time here I'll use here content. Okay. And below it I'll just simply use here category underscore ID and make it required exist categories. Okay. That's it and pass here this ID. Okay, we just will do this and just copy it and paste this here and here I'll just simply use here published underscore add and within it I'll just simply make it nullable and pass this pipeline and paste this here date. Okay, so we just simple do this and category ID exists category ID. Okay, so that's it. We do this and in the publish add I need to use here this if statement that if dollar request filled and use this and paste this here if request is filled with publish add and then I need to use this here dollar validated and within this I'll just simple paste this publish add and use this here carbon parse dollar request publish underscore add and format it in S. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and below it I'll just simple use here like dollar validated and pass here slug and within it str slug dollar request title. Okay, that's it. And just copy it again and paste this here. And this time I'm using here validated and then pass a user underscore ID. And here in it, I'll just simply pass here auth ID. But I don't have this user ID, so I'll just simply don't need this. So then after it, I'll just simply use here post, use this create and pass in it dollar validated. Okay, and then remove this and return redirect route admin dot post dot index. And here I'll just simply use here post added successfully, and also I'll just simple double check it again. All the things are set. Okay, and after it I have this update function. So in the update I'll just simply copy this and paste this here, and within it I need to find the ID first, and for this I'll just simple copy this, paste this here, and use here post, and here with it post find or fill ID, and then dollar validated and request validate like same way, and then this dollar post don't did this and slug, and then use here dollar post update dollar validated. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and pass return redirect route post dot index as post updated successfully. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple copy this again and paste this here, and this time don't need to validate it and remove it, and remove it also, remove this also, and here just post delete. Okay, that's it. We just simply need this and admit.post.index and make here post deleted successfully. Okay, so we just simply need to do this, and after it I'll just simple go to my web.php, and within it I'll just simple copy this and paste this here, and this time I'll make this for post, and make here post controller, and also I need to import this here post controller. Okay, and here also same way post, and then accept show. Okay, so that's it. We just will do this, and now I'll just will come back to post, and here you can see I'll use here str carbon. So we need to import these. Okay, and for this I'll just simply use here use carbon slash carbon. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple first check it is rendering my view or not. So I'll just simple use here optimize it, and go to browser and go to blogs. So that's it. It is saying me app model post comment does not exist. So it is saying me this must be of type eliminate database has relation. Okay, so I think we did mistake in our model. I'll just simply go to my post model. So everything is fine, but here you can see it is instead of factories I need to add here relations. Okay, so I'll just simple copy this and paste this here, and also I need to check it and others, like in the relation we need to add relation then belongs to. Okay, and in the comments also we need to update this and post and users. Okay, okay, so everything now set. Okay, just close this, close this, close this. Okay, and then save this, optimize it again, and then now I'll just will go to view and click on blogs, and here you can see I'm now on my post page. So so everything is correct. So now I'll just simple need to make this view, and for this I'll just simple go to my here and go to my view that is in resources JS, and pages and admin. And within the admin, I have this post page, and within it, I'll just simply start writing code in it, and I'll just simply close the terminal and just close these files. So we don't need this. So just start writing code in it. So that's it. We just simple write this code, and now I'll just simple remove this extra code and write the remaining code from here. Okay. So that's it. We just simple write this code and now I'll just simple remove this extra code. Okay. And that's it. Save this. And now I'll just simple go to browser and here you can see it is showing me the blogs page. Okay. When I'll click on it, it is showing me the post page like this and it is completely responsive as we see in the demo. So when I'll just simple add a new post and I'll just simple name this as a RBAC and name this as role based access control and just put here the category Laravel reverb and put here this date. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple click on create. And here you can see it is saying me app http str not found. So we need to add here the str. For adding it, I'll just simple copy this, paste this here and use here support and use here this str. Okay, just save this and go to browser again and reload it. And now I'll just simple create the blog again. That is RBAC role base access control and select this category and pass this date. Okay, and click on create. And here you can see it's semi post created successfully. So now I'll just simple edit it with role based access control with logs. Okay, and click on create and here you can see it create it update the content and also I can use here update this with block and click on update and it is updating. Okay, so I'll just simple check it with deleting and click on create and just delete this and it delete the post and it delete the bot. So that's great, amazing. So we are done with the admin functionality. Okay, so both are working. Okay, so now the thing is I'll just simple go to users and so now we are done with the admin functionality. So now the thing is I'll just simple go to users table and here I'll just simple change the login role to user and just reload it and here on this it is saying me blocks does not find this because we don't make the route and a controller for it. So just first define the function for a user controller and this user views. So let's get started. So I'll just simple close this. Okay, so here you can see I have this user controller and within this controller I need to define some functions and then we define the routes. Okay, so let's start. So first of all I need to import some things like here I'll just simple copy this and go to here and paste this here, remove this request and instead of category I want to add here this user model also. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and now uh, after it in the index function I need to make the query. Okay, So that's it. I'll just simple write this in the function, and I'll just simple remove this extra. Okay. So basically this function is used for like we implement the functionality of three searches, like when I am search with the title, and when we search with the category, and when we search with the most commented blogs. Okay. So that's it. And now we just simple move to our show, where when user click on read more, it bring it to the comment page. Okay. So just write the function of this. Okay. So in this function, I'm passing string ID, and now we just simple uh, s- write the code here in it, like first I'll just simple fetch the post with categories and comments dot user and with the comments count. Okay, these are the liquid relationship that we define at the start, and then I'll just simple render it on post show. Okay. So we just simple do this in it, and now we just simple remove these brackets, and just say this. Okay. So we just simple done with the comment page, and now we need to define two functions, and these function are for basically I'll just simple change this update function to store comment, and in this I'm taking the request and string ID, and within it I'll just simple validate the request and then store the uh, comment in the comments. Okay. So I'll just simple write the code here. First, I'll just simple validate the request and then find the post ID, and then we just simple insert it. Okay. Okay, we just simple pass the auth ID and then create this in comments. Okay, so we just simple do this, and now we need to define another function that is destroy for the user is able to deleting the user is able to delete the comment, and for this I'll just simple name this as destroy comment, and within it I'm using the string, and within the string I'm using first post ID, and then after it is string, and within it I'm using comment ID. Okay, that's it. And now after it I'll just simple use here like dollar comment, and here I'll just simple use here like I'll just simple remove this, and dollar comment and then comment, and within it I'll use this clause where, and then post underscore ID and dollar post ID. Okay, and just use here where ID is dollar comment ID, or where user underscore ID auth ID. Okay, that's it. We just will do this, and then I'll use it first or fail. Okay, we just simple do this, and then just simple delete the comment, and then pass here this delete. Okay, we just simple do this and return back with success comment deleted successfully. Okay, so we just simple do this, and now I'll just simple move to my uh, routes, and here I'll just simple define the routes. So I'll write user route. I'll just simple use this define the routes like this here. Okay, so first is a resource route, and it is for like any grad function, and that is index function, and the second one is for comment page, and the third one is for post. When user comment it out, it save this and it is of post request, and the last one is delete when a user is able to delete the comment. Okay, so that's it. These are our routes for user. Okay, and I'll just simple remove this. Okay, and just format it a bit. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple open the terminal, and here I'll just simple remove this and just optimize it. Okay, just optimize it, and now I'll just simple go to browser, and here just click on this blocks and just reload it and just click on it, and it is saying me 404 not found. So I think we did mistake in it. Like here you can see I have user slash post dot txs. Okay, and in the app slash, I think we don't put this in the components. In the components I have this app dot sidebar. So here you can see slash post. So it is like this slash user slash post. Okay, then I'll just simple optimize it and reload it. Okay, and when I'll just simple click on it, it bring me to the user slash post page. But on the view, we don't have anything. We don't define the anything on the view. So we need to define, and uh, here that is this post page, this one. Okay, so we need to define the view and make the view like user can search, and search by category, search by title, and search by most committed block as we see in the demo. Okay, so let's start writing code in So that's it. We just simple write this code, and now I'll just simple remove this extra code. Okay. And here when I'll just simple go to my browser, and here you can see it is saying me here like this. So basically this code is written by AutoTable. So I'll just simple it make the read more as a tag. So I'll just simple remove this. Okay. And also I need to remove this from here like from previous. Okay. And here also I will remove this from next. Okay, just save this, and now I'll just go to browser again, and here you can see same as it is. It is showing me same as it is interface that we see in the demo. Okay, so here it is showing me the blog because I have only one blog. So here I'll just simple comment it out by search by category, and here it is also searching. I am also able to search by title in real time. Okay, so that's great, amazing. So it is basically just complete functionality, so you can add in it blocks. Later. Okay, so that's it. And now when I'll just simple click on read more, I want it bring me to the show page, but on the show page I don't have anything. It bring me to the show page, but on the show page I don't have anything for now. Okay, so this is my show page, that is post show.txs. So we need to define and write the code in this page. So let's start. that's it. We just simple write this code, okay, and after it I'll just simple remove this extra code, just this, and from here it make this post as tag, so I'll just simple remove this, okay, just save this, and now I'll just simple open this, and I'll just simple click on read more, and when I'll click on it, it successfully show me the page that RBAC blog title and description, and here date and comments. Okay, so I'll just simple comment it here, good, and click on post comment, and it's semi commented it successfully, and I'll just simple also able to delete this comment. So that's great. So we almost done all the functionality. That's it. We almost done all the functionality. So it is saying me app controllers comment. So that's it. So when I'll just simple click on delete and delete this comment, and it is saying me app controllers comment does not found. So need to import the comment. So here I'll just simple go to controllers, category controller. Oh, sorry, user controller. And here I'll just simple copy this, paste this here, and make it comment. Okay, just save this and now go to browser, and here when I'll just simple click on delete, and here it is saying me auth manager auth, okay, undefined property dollar auth, okay, so we need to fix that also. So here you can see in this delete we are passing the auth id, okay, so it is id. So I need to pass this here. Just save this and now open this and go to browser, and here when I'll just click on delete, and now you can see it's semi comment deleted successfully. Okay. So when I'll add the comment, and also I can able to delete the comment. So that's great. We almost done all the functionality and these all the admin and user pages. So we just simple left with like middleware, like admin cannot access the user cannot access the admin pages, and admin access the user pages. Okay, so here you can see my login user is role is user, but it access the admin page, so I don't want this. So for this I need to do this, like I'll just simple open the terminal, sorry, open the terminal, and here I'll just simple make a middleware, and I'll just simple name this as php artisan make middleware role middleware. Okay, that's it. And within this middleware we need to write some logic, like here is my role middleware, and within it we need to write the code like admin cannot access the user pages and user cannot access the admin pages. Okay, so I'll just simple write it in this handle function. Okay, I'll just simple need to write the code here. So that's it. We just simple write this code, and now I'll just simple remove this extra brackets and just indent it like this. Okay, so we successfully define the role, like if user role is admin, a user role is not admin, and it try to access the user pages, and it redirect into the admin post index page, and later, and if user try to access the admin pages, it bring it to the user.post.index page. So that's it, just this. And now we need to define the middleware in this here, like bootstrap. In the app.php, we need to define the middleware here. So for defining it, we have just this 2 lines of code for defining middleware in Laravel 12. So because in the previous version of Laravel, we define the middlewares in the kernel.php file, but in Laravel 12 we don't have this file. Okay, so we need to define this here. So I'll just simple copy this $middleware and make it like, just cut it, sorry. Here I'll just simple make it middleware alias, and here I'll just simple add a role, and within it I'll just simple add a app/http/middleware/role middleware. Okay, that's it, and pass in it class. Okay, so that's it. We just simple do this, define this role middleware just here, and just close this, and we need to pass this in the routes. So here I need to import the role middleware first. So the app/http/middleware. Sorry, like this. We have this middleware, and here pass role middleware. Okay, just this, and here I need to just pass the middleware in it like this. After admin, I'll pass here middleware, and pass in it auth role admin. Okay, so we just simple do this, and I'll just simple copy this and paste this here again, and these are for user who have role user. Okay, so that's it, and now I'll just simple optimize it. Okay, it is optimizing it. Okay, that's great. So now when I'll just simple go to this, and now I'll just simple try to access the admin page again, admin slash. So it is saying me undefined variable role. Okay, so I think we did mistake in the middleware. So here is my middleware, and okay, so I need to pass here closure next, and here string dollar role. Okay, save this and optimize it. Okay, so now I'll just simple log in with the user whose role is user, and now I'll try to access the admin page, and when I'll click on try to access the admin page, it bring me to the user page. Okay, so that's great, and when I'll just simple change the role here to admin. Okay, and I'll just reload it. So now I am on the admin pages, so I can access the admin because my role is admin. Okay, so when I'll try to access the user page, it bring me to the admin page. So that's great, amazing. Okay, so that's the thing. We done all the functionalities that we see in the demo, like admin pages, user pages, search functionality, all the things that we see in the demo, and role-based access control and multi-page blog application. Okay, so this is the most important project, and we cover many uh, many good topics and tricky topics in it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.